The sounds of success, pronouncing ordinal numbers in English. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English grammar, the pronunciation of ordinal numbers. This subject is often overlooked but plays an essential role in everyday spoken English. Get ready to master it! Let's start from the beginning. Ordinal numbers are numbers that indicate position or order in a series. First, second, third, and so on. They're different from cardinal numbers, which we use for counting. 1, 2, 3, and so forth. But our focus today is on how to pronounce these ordinal numbers correctly. Generally, ordinal numbers end with th. So, for numbers like 4th, 7th, or 10th, you would pronounce the ending as th, similar to the word moth. It's quite straightforward, but, as is often the case with English, there are exceptions. We have three major exceptions to the rule: first, second, and third. For first, think of it like first, rhyming with thirst. Second, sounds like second, with the cond part rhyming with pond. Lastly, third, sounds like the word bird. Remember, these exceptions are important and often used, so make sure to pronounce them right. The th ending in ordinal numbers can sometimes be tricky. The pronunciation involves the tip of your tongue coming between your teeth, making a th sound, not a t or d sound. It's a softer sound that takes some practice to get right. This rule applies for ordinal numbers such as 4th, 5th, 6th, and so on. Another point to remember is that the ordinal numbers, 12th and 5th, have a little pronunciation twist. For 12th, we drop the v from 12 and add th, while in 5th, we drop the v from 5 and add th. You might find these changes strange, but they make the words easier to say. And there you have it. English ordinal number pronunciation doesn't have to be scary or confusing. With these simple rules and exceptions, you're well on your way to perfecting your English spoken skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep practicing these ordinal numbers out loud. We hope this video has been helpful. See you in our next one. Happy learning!